Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we will learn about how we can give smooth scrolling effect in our web page. Okay, how we can give smooth scrolling effect in our web page. This is our topic. Let's start. Now you can see in this editor, I have written some predefined text over here. Okay, within the body of the HTML. Okay, I have written within the HTML tag, that is smooth scrolling effect. That is our topic, and you can see I have given one div tag. Okay, now you all know that what is div tag and what is ID. Okay, now within the div tag, I have just placed a paragraph over here, and this div tag I have closed over here. Okay, I have closed over here. Okay, and within this first division tag, I have placed a single paragraph over here, and I have just given this division a name with the help of ID, that is section 1. Okay, means this division within the web page has a name, that is section 1. Okay, now when you scroll it down, you can see I have just placed one more paragraph within the one more division, and that division name is section 2. Okay, now when I scroll it down again, you can see I have just placed one more division, okay, with the ID, that is section 3, and within this particular division I have just placed one more paragraph. Now the whole thing is I have placed 3 divisions within the web page. Okay, this is your division, this is your division. You can see the ID name is section 3, and this is your second division, the ID name is section 2, and this is your third division, that is section 1, and onto the each division I have just placed a single paragraph. Okay, when I try to see its output onto the browser, see, this is a browser. I have just saved with the name of scrolling.html. Whenever I refresh the page, you can see this will be the output. This is heading 1, and this is the 3 paragraphs. First paragraph within the division 1, section 1 ID, and this is second paragraph, section 2 ID, and this is third paragraph within the section 3 ID. Okay, now what I want is I want to create a hyperlink, and whenever user clicks on that particular hyperlink, okay, your page will scroll smoothly onto that particular area or to that particular section where I want to jump. Okay, now for that purpose, first of all, I just have to give some linking. Okay, you all know how to give the linking with the help of anchor tag. If you don't know how to give the linking, you can watch my previous video, one of the previous video, that is how to set linking within the web page, that is internal linking, external linking. Okay, I will give you a link of that particular video on my description section. You can watch for that particular video. Okay, now here I say within the A tag, A for, you all know, that is anchor tag. A for anchor, that can be used for linking. Href is for hyperreference, means where you want to link. Okay, I put hash, let it be I want to set section 1 as linking, or here which text I want to set. I say let it be a jump to section 1. Okay, I have just placed one linking. Now you can see within the anchor tag, I have just placed this text that is visible onto the web page. Means whenever user clicks on this particular link, it will jump to this particular ID, this particular section. Okay, I have just given it a name, section 1. You can give it any name as per your own requirement. But remember one thing, always put hash symbol before this particular text. Okay, because it represents the internal linking. Okay, now I again copy it. Okay, copy it 2 times. Okay, I want to link to section 2, and I want to link to section 3, and here I change the name, jump to section 2, and here I say jump to section 3. Okay, now you all can see I have just placed 3 linkings. Okay, one for section 1, one for section 2, and one for section 3. Okay, now you all can see if I try to save it and try to refresh it, you can see all these linking will be there. All these 3 linking will be there. Okay, now you can see whenever user clicks on this particular link, it is searching for this particular hyperreference, that is section 1. Okay, it will find it over here. So it means it will jump to this particular section only. Okay, when a user clicks on this particular section, that is jump to section 3, it will look for this particular hyperreference name within this particular page only. Okay, that is section 3, and section 3 it will find it over here. it will find it over here at the bottom of the third paragraph here. Okay, then it will jump here automatically. Okay, the name should be same whatever I have given it over here. Okay, now you can see if I try to click on this particular section 3, you can see it is jumping to this particular place. Okay, now you can scroll up. Now if I try to click on this particular jump to section 2, it is jumping over here. You can see here it is. Okay, now if I see jump to section 1, it is here. What now you can see linking is there. What scrolling behavior, scrolling effect is not smooth. That is our topic, how to set the smooth scrolling on our web page. Okay, you can see if I click on section 3, okay, it will jump immediately to the third paragraph onto the section 3 without any smooth behavior. Okay, now for that what I want to do is I just want to set some CSS properties as internal CSS. You all know how to set the internal CSS within the style tag. Okay, first of all I want to set the properties of these sections, that is section 1, section 2, section 3. Okay, I say let it be hash section 1, and you all know how to set the properties for the ID. Okay, this is an ID. It means whenever you want to set the property of this particular section, this particular ID, always put the hash sign before here. And I want to set background color as let it be pink. Okay, and font size let it be 16 pixels, and font family let it be Comic Sans MS. These are the properties I have set within the section 1. Okay, try to save it and just refresh it. You can see all these properties will be there. Okay, section 1 property will be there. Okay, and I say text alignment let it be justify. Okay, now I just copy it and I just want to place the properties for the section 2 ID. Okay, which ID? This one, this second ID. Okay, this second division. Okay, its name is section 2, and its background color I want to set as let it be yellow, and rest of the property I want to set same. Okay, refresh it. You can see this is a section 2 ID, and the third one is section 3. Okay, just paste it one more time, give it name section 3, and here I want like to set the color as let it be purple. Okay, you can set any of the color. Now you can see all 3 divisions has different background colors. Okay, now you can look it more clearly. Okay, you can see jump to section 2, it is jumping over here automatically, but without any smooth scrolling. Okay, you can see jump to section 3, it will jump automatically immediately onto that particular section, and this one is jump to this section. Okay, now to make it more colorful, you all know this is your anchor tag. Okay, this is anchor tag. Now what I want is I want to set all these anchor tags as colorful effects. Okay, colorful linking. So you can see this is your A for anchor tag. Here I say A colon link. Okay, A colon link comma A colon visited. Means what are these? These are the pseudo classes. These are the pseudo classes, link and visited. It means anchor tag, whenever user creates a new link or user visits a link. Okay, what property I want to set? I want to set these properties, color as red, and font size at as 18 pixels, and font family as Forte. Okay, these are the properties which I have set within the each of the anchor tags. See, try to save it. You can see the linking effects are there. Okay, just change some size of the effect, size of the text, 30 pixel like this. Okay, now you can see if I want to set the space between each of the link. Okay, just place here, that is ampersand and BSP semicolon. Okay, this is for known breaking space. This is called known breaking space. Okay, if I give 2 times NBSP, known breaking space, it means 2 space characters will be there. Okay, you can see, refresh it, you can see 2 character spaces there, here and here. Now the main thing is I want to set smooth scrolling. Here I click, it is jumping but without any smooth effect. Okay, here it is jumping but without any smooth effect. Here it is again. Okay, now to give the smooth scrolling effect, what I have to do, give the HTML reference, give the reference of HTML tag and just give one property, that is scroll behavior, that is smooth. That's it. Okay, means whenever you want to set smooth scrolling behavior onto your web page, okay, just set it as smooth with the help of HTML property, HTML tag reference. Okay, linking you have to give, this is mandatory. Okay, now you can see if I try to refresh the page and if I click on this particular section 3, you can see it is scrolling smoothly. You can see. Okay, it is smooth, scrolling smoothly. It is not jumping immediately. Okay, it is scrolling. That is the effect you want to give. Okay, these type of effects can be used in our web page. What type of web page? Single page websites. Okay, you all know websites are of different kinds. You can say if I have 10 pages in my website, okay, but I want to create 10 links onto my web page, onto a single web page as different sections. Okay, let it be this is my about us section, okay, this is my services section, and this is my product section, and this is a menu. Okay, this is a one page website, means whenever user clicks on this particular section, it will jump automatically over here with the help of smooth scrolling. Now if I want, if I want that whenever user clicks on this particular link, it is coming down. Okay, now here I want to provide one more link, that is go top. Whenever user clicks on that particular link, it will jump towards up direction. For that, what you have to do at the bottom of the page, what you have to do, I have just want to place a anchor tag href is equal to hash, let it be top, hash top. It can be any name as per the requirement. I say go top, I would like to write over here. Okay, now if you see by refreshing it, you can see this is here. Now what I want is whenever user clicks on this particular link, it will jump automatically towards the top of the web page. Then it means what you have to do, we have to create this particular section also at the top of the web page. Its hyper reference is top. It means go to top of the web page, and here I want to jump. Here you can say div id equals to top. Just give the name of that particular id and just close the div tag. That's it. Okay, now just try to save it. Okay, you can see if I try to click on this particular page link, it is jumping towards down direction in smooth behavior, and if I try to click on this particular link, it is jumping towards up direction. Okay, if you want to go over here, just copy it over here and just place it at the top of the body. Okay, now you can see it. Okay, just try to fetch it again. Okay, section 3, smooth scrolling is there, got top, smooth scrolling is there. Section 2, okay, this is section 1. This is as per your own requirement. This is very interesting property in CSS 3.0. You can implement this property in your web page while making a web page or say a one page website. Okay, this is per your own requirement. Okay, I hope you all understand these concepts of scroll behavior. Okay, if you are liking my videos, please like, comment and subscribe my channel for your support. Thank you everyone.